Is your car's air conditioning not as cold as it used to be? Don't let the heat ruin your drive. Today on Smart Auto Fix, we're showing you 3 simple ways to keep your AC system running like new. Let's dive in. First, always check your cabin air filter. A clogged or dirty filter restricts airflow and can cause unpleasant smells. Replacing this simple part every 12,000 miles ensures you're breathing fresh, cool air and protects your AC blower motor from straining. Second, keep an eye on your refrigerant levels. If you notice a drop in cooling performance, you might have a small leak. A professional pressure test can identify leaks early, saving you from expensive compressor repairs later on. Remember, a well-maintained system uses less fuel, too. Quick pro tip: run your AC for at least 10 minutes once a week, even in winter, to keep the seals lubricated. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Auto Fix for more expert car care advice. Drive cool, drive safe.